Hi guys, welcome to 321 Tech UK. I'm TechHead, and today we have a new keyboard. This is the K68 Mechanical gaming keyboard from Corsair. It has fully backlit RGB LEDs, which are with practically unlimited backlight combinations. It's mechanical, 100% Cherry MX switches, and I found these to be extremely responsive. And it also offers 100% anti-ghosting with a full key rollover, meaning that each combination of key presses is accurately registered. This is my first fully mechanical keyboard, and it seems pretty heavy coming out of the box. It has good length on the cable and it has a sturdy wrist rest. We also have function and media keys and volume on the right hand side. The keyboard itself is spill resistant, not fully waterproof, which means if you just spill something on the keyboard itself, it will be directed under the keys via the translucent silicone sheet over the entirety of the PCB and out through the internal channels, avoiding damaging the actual PCB itself. Now onto build quality. Its durable plastic is really solid. Like I said as I took it out of the box, it's pretty heavy. This is due to the internal reinforcement. The keyboard itself is rigid, and the Cherry MX switches are linear, which means they don't have tactile or audible feedback to let you know that you're past the actuation point, which is around 1.5mm. When you're using the keyboard for the first time, you'll end up bottoming out until you find the actuation point. Once you do this, it will speed up your typing no end. Connecting the keyboard and installation of the Corsair IQ software is a breeze. The key responses time can be adjusted in the software, but its default limit is 1.1 millisecond, which is more than enough for most people. Looking through the keyboard layout in the IQ software, it has a number of preset colours and effects. Then it also offers, after a little experimenting, I found that you can customise every key individually, or as I have done on some of this, you can have it in bunches, like direction keys, media keys, F keys, volume, like WASD, space, F, and the media keys. Response time when typing is superb, and I love the look and feel of the keys as you type. Because my old keyboard, yeah, being as old as it was, I think it was about 8 years old, it had more than a little trouble keeping up with my typing speed as I was writing. The wrist rest, in my opinion, could have been a little larger, because as I have big-ish hands. But aside from that, I'd highly recommend this keyboard for anyone wanting to upgrade to a new one, or they're just looking for a good, sturdy mechanical keyboard. Anyway, I'd like to thank you all for tuning in, and unfortunately this wasn't the video I had in mind. I had hoped to finish editing and doing voiceover for my benchmarking video that I had all lined up, but my due to a complication that I had with an old JBOD enclosure, it happened so that it happened where I went out. I bought the enclosure. It works absolutely fine. I had 5 drives in it. The actual I left it running one evening while I went out for about 5 or 6 hours, and I came back and there was a burning smell. Instantly turned it off. The actual enclosure itself had failed, so I RMA'd the actual enclosure, and finally got my money back after a little bit of an argument. But they little did I know that it had damaged, I'm not sure whether it's damaged all 5 drives, but it damaged at least one of them. because the drive that I had all my videos and audio and screenshots and screen recordings and everything on for my channel died. It crashed. Literally, I've lost pretty much all of my footage that I shot and all the audio, and I'm in the midst of recovering all of the data that has gone. Luckily, I've got a docking station where I can just plug the hard drive in, try and recover what I can from the drive itself, and hopefully I'll get back to the benchmarking video very soon, and we can finish that off. Anyway, this is TechHead. Thank you very much for tuning in. Thank you so much for your patience, and like and subscribe to the videos. There will be more coming away very soon, and I'll upload as many as I possibly can. Hopefully I'll try and get it down to 2 a week, but hopefully we'll get this sorted and I'll be able to take routine, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye all. This is TechHead signing off.